Think you need a gym to get in shape? Wrong! These 5 insane home exercises can transform your body, and you won't need a single dumbbell. No time, no gear, no problem. Just 5 minutes, your body, and this crazy routine. Perfect for ages 18 to 35. Let's go Fitbot style. 1. Jumping jacks. Start with energy. Jumping jacks get your heart racing and body moving. Burn calories like a beast. 2. Push-ups. Classic but deadly. No gym, no excuses. Build chest, arms, and confidence in one move. 3. Squats. Legs like steel incoming. Body weight squats tone, strengthen, and build explosive power. 4. Plank hold. Brace yourself, literally. This move hits your core and posture like nothing else. 5. Mountain climbers. End strong, burn fat, build stamina, and feel the fire with mountain climbers. Quick rest, motivation. Can't breathe? Good. That's growth knocking. Short break. Shake it out. You're doing what most people won't. You just trained your whole body in 5 minutes. No gym, no gear, just willpower. Subscribe to Fitbot Nation for more real, raw, and results-driven routines. Excuses don't burn calories. You versus you.